Ow, I just bumped my head on the plane. That hurt. Hey, Justice. How old are you? Are you 3?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, pull it up, pull it up. You're gonna hit the ground. Go forward. Okay, go backwards, go backwards. Whoa, you're a crazy pilot. No, careful. Remember, gentle. You don't want to wreck it. Daddy used to play with this machine when he was a little boy. And it was freaking awesome. So for my son's 3rd birthday, I brought him to the Air Museum. Airplanes everywhere. Awesome. I love airplanes. Oh, that setting made it go really dark. And then we have this one right here. Whoa, look at that guy. Yeah, do you want to play again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. I think we're closing up here pretty soon. So. No, you're not done yet. Look, you can still play. Alright, well, Daddy wants to play. I'm gonna play this game in a long time. See how fast we can get this thing going. Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woo! Woo! Whoa, he's whipping. Bring it to a hammerhead. Try land it on the little red thing. Bring it up like that. And you gotta go forward. Oh. You gotta lean forward. Oh, we're almost there. Oh, we're almost there. Oh no. Oh, it was so close. Yeah, gotta. Nope, bring it back a little bit. Yeah, okay, go forward. Now land it. Land it. Does a bounce landing count? Because I think he might have hit the red part. I don't know, I'm watching through the camera. I don't know why I'm not watching him. Hello, my little buddy. How are you, my son? Hi, you're done. Why? Why are you done? I'm done. Oh, now we're done. Hey, Justice. Smile for the camera. Say, did it.
Tata.
Hold on. I gotta back up. Stay right there. Or wait. Okay, come right here. Stand right here. Yeah, stand right there. Now we go like this. And then we'll see if we. Okay, gotta say cheese.
Cheese.
There we go. No, stand up. Hold on, stay right there. Trying to get a picture with the big